Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very simple pattern for you. For this pattern I have used basic cast on, and for ribbing I have used 2 knit and 2 purl stitches. From backside our pattern will look like this. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 6 stitches plus 3 stitches to complete the pattern and plus 2 stitches for the border, and this is of 12 rows repeat pattern. For demonstration I have taken 17 stitches. So let us start now. This is our first row. Slip edge stitch and then repeat pattern, yarn in front and slip 3 stitches, again yarn in back and now knit 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Here we have completed our first repeat pattern. Now second repeat, again yarn in front and slip 3 stitches, yarn in back and knit 3 stitches. This is our second repeat pattern. Now last 3 stitches, yarn in front and slip 3 stitches and purl last edge stitch. Here we have completed our first row. Now onwards all even rows like second, fourth, sixth, 8th, 10th and 12th row we have to purl all stitches. Here we have completed our second row. Now third row from front side. Slip first edge stitch and then knit 1 stitch. Here our repeat pattern begins. Yarn in front and slip 3 stitches, then yarn in back and knit 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. This is our first repeat pattern. Again yarn in front and slip 3 stitches, yarn in back and knit 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. This is our second repeat pattern. Again yarn in front. This time slip only 2 stitches and purl last edge stitch. Here we have completed our third row. All wrong side rows we have to purl. So onwards we will work on all odd rows. This is our fifth row. Slip edge stitch and then knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now repeat pattern. Yarn in front and slip 3 stitches and then yarn in back and knit 3 stitches. This is our first repeat pattern. Now second repeat pattern. Yarn in front, slip 3 stitches, yarn in back and knit 3 stitches. This is our second repeat pattern. Now yarn in front and slip 1 stitch and then purl last edge stitch. Here we have completed our fifth row. Now seventh row. Slip first edge stitch, then repeat pattern, knit 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, Now yarn in front and slip 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. This is our first repeat pattern. Yarn in back. Now second repeat, knit 3 stitches, yarn in front and slip 3 stitches. This is our second repeat pattern. Now yarn in back and knit 3 stitches and purl last edge stitch. Here we have completed our 7th row. Now we will continue our 9th row. Now 9th row, slip edge stitch and then yarn in front and slip 1 stitch, yarn in back and now repeat pattern, knit 3 stitches and then yarn in front and slip 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Yarn in back. This is our first repeat. Now second repeat, knit 3 stitches, yarn in front and slip 3 stitches, yarn in back. This is our second repeat pattern. Now knit 2 stitches and purl last edge stitch. This is our 9th row. Now we will continue our 11th row. Slip edge stitch and then yarn in front and slip 2 stitches, yarn in back. Now from here our repeat pattern starts. Knit 3 stitches and then yarn in front and slip 3 stitches. This is our first repeat pattern. Again knit 3 stitches, yarn in front and slip 3 stitches, yarn in back. This is second repeat. Now knit 1 stitch and then purl last edge stitch. Here we have completed our 11th row. Now 12th row, from wrong side we have to purl all stitches. Repeat these 12 rows until you reach your desired length. After few repeats our pattern will look like this. If you like my video, then like and share it, and if you are watching my video for the first time, then subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. So bye friends, meet you soon in my next video. Till then, bye, see you.